Hello, gorgeous! We will talk today about the return of the knee-length skirt and how to style the most sophisticated hemline. From the mod revolution of the 60s to the power dressing of the 90s of the past century, there is one hemline that has always signified one thing: polished sophistication. After years of dominating mini and maxi extremes, the knee-grazing skirt is back in a major way. It is the secret weapon for looking put together with minimal effort. But how do you wear it without looking dated? So, let us break down why it is back, who it is for, and most importantly, how to style it for a modern, fresh look. First, let us ask, why now? What is the fashion cycle, and what is the quiet luxury effect? Fashion is a cycle, and we have been in an era of extremes. The playful, youth-centric mini and the bohemian, comfortable maxi have had their moment. Now, the pendulum is swinging back toward a more refined, timeless, and intentional style. This shift is deeply tied to the rise of quiet, luxury, and old money aesthetics. It is not about loud logos anymore, but it is about impeccable fit, luxurious fabrics, and timeless pieces. The knee-length skirt is the epitome of this. It is discreet, elegant, and speaks volumes through its cut and quality, not its length. It also represents a move toward versatility and agelessness. This is a hemline that works for a boardroom presentation, a weekend brunch, and a dinner date. It is universally flattering and incredibly powerful. How to find your silhouette and how skirts can be for everybody. Knee length is not just one style, it is a whole category. The key is to find the silhouette that works for your body type and personal style. Let us begin with the pencil skirt, which is classic. It is tailored and sleek and curves with your body. It is perfect for creating an hourglass shape. So look for ones with a slight A-line or a back slit for ease of movement. Next is the A-line skirt. It is arguably the most universally flattering shape. It nips at the waist and flares out, skimming over the hips and thighs. It is feminine, playful, and incredibly easy to wear. Next is the bias cut or slip skirt. This skirt is for a more fluid, sensual feel. The bias cut drapes beautifully over the body, creating a gorgeous, liquid silhouette. It feels more relaxed than the structured pencil. Next is the tulle or textured skirt. Yes, even volume works at this length. A knee-length tulle skirt balances whimsy with sophistication. It adds drama while still feeling polished and modern. Try a layered tulle skirt paired with a simple knit sweater. Let us now talk about modern pairings and how to style it. The biggest mistake one can make is styling this like it is 1995. The goal is modern, not matronly. Here is how to do it. The first look is the elevated casual. Pair a sleek A-line leather skirt with a simple, slouchy cashmere sweater and sleek ankle boots. This is the ultimate effortlessly chic formula. The juxtaposition of a tailored skirt with a relaxed top is the key. Finish with boots or chic sneakers. The second look is the power play. Pair a classic pencil skirt with a crisp tailored blazer, maybe slightly oversized, and a simple shell tank underneath. Heels or loafers should complete the look. The third look is the unexpected edge. Pair a tweed skirt with a fitted top, like a bright blouse's dark turtleneck, or a long sleeve shirt to balance the texture and volume. You can wear a leather moto jacket and chunky combat boots or platform loafers. This is our favorite way to wear it. Mixing high and low or soft and hard elements makes the look feel current and personal. The fourth look is the romantic, where a fluid, floral print bias cut skirt with a simple ribbed knit top and delicate sandals or ballet flats. Lean into the feminine energy with soft fabrics and prints. Keep the top minimalist to let the skirt be the star. Here are our pro tips and final thoughts. We mean before you go raid your closet or the stores. Here is our advice for nailing this trend. Mind the fit. The fit is everything. It should graze the knee, not sit above or too far below. The waist should be comfortable but defined. Pay attention not only to the style, but also to the fabric. So, invest in good fabrics such as wool crepe, thick cotton, silk, and leather. Cheap, flimsy material is what makes this length look dated. Notice the shoe rule. This hemline is amazing because it works with everything from sneakers and flats to knee-high boots and strappy heels. It is all about the vibe you want. The return of the knee-grazing skirt is a welcome one. It is a celebration of timeless style, sophistication, and dressing with intention. It is a piece that respects the wearer and commands respect in return. So, are you ready to embrace the midi skirt? Which styling option are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this style guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion breakdowns. We post a new video every week to help you look and feel your best. Thanks for watching. And remember, style is not about trends. It is about finding what makes you feel confident. You are beautiful.